everyone, this is Crafty Decoria and I hope you're all doing great. Today I have a Dollar Tree haul to share with all of you, and I was excited about this haul because this is the first time that I've gone to Dollar Tree, at least the Dollar Tree that I go to, and noticed that they had newer items. Lately I have been really seeing the same things, but I did see some new things and that was really exciting to see. So I did bring some things home. Some are repurchases, but most of the items are newer things that I found. So as usual, here is an overview of the things that I picked up. I will go through them one by one so that you can have a better look. I hope you enjoy. Oh, and I have a new favorite Dollar Tree fall mug. Wait till you see this if you haven't seen it already. Okay, so I thought I'd start off with the things that I've purchased in the past, whether it be decor, kitchen, supplies, or crafting items. The first thing here, I picked up a headband. Now, I haven't picked up this headband before, and that's why I did pick it up. But I do enjoy the different seasonal headbands that Dollar Tree carries. And this one is the Canadian flag. So I didn't have it and I thought I'd pick it up. I picked up my favorite nail polish. This one here is like a dusty rose and I love this color. I have it on right now. And I really think this color is great for all seasons. It's just so pretty. And so I did pick up another bottle of that. There is not a particular name. There is an item number, if it will focus. It probably won't. So the item number is 82072. And then I picked up my favorite Fast Dry top coat, which is by Cosmic Color as well. If I didn't say that, that's what this is, Cosmic Colors. And it is the, like I said, Fast Dry top coat, and I really like this one. I picked up the SureFresh slider storage bags. They are the 2.5 gallon. You get 6 bags in this, and I do like picking these up for my reborn kits. After I wash them, I like to store them in these bags. They're nice and roomy, and usually I can fit a whole kit, even a larger kit, pretty well. And then I picked up a couple more of these mirrors. Now these came in white and black. I really love these mirrors. I did have an idea to do something with them, and I was looking for the white ones, but they had no white ones left, and these were the last 2 black ones, so I did pick them up. And then I picked up these wired garland ties by Christmas House. You get 12 in a package, and I just like using these for crafting. Okay, so next I came across the Berenstain Bears plushies, and I've picked up the Arthur characters before from Dollar Tree, but I was really excited to come across these because these remind me of my children when they were younger. And they are really cute and I think done really nicely. So here is Father Bear, Mother Bear, Brother Bear, and Sister Bear. Next, I was really excited to come across this item. These are kids or baby hats, and if any of you have watched my channel, you will probably know that I am a new reborn artist. So when I come across baby items at Dollar Tree, I love to pick them up if there's something that is either a name brand or just something really unique, any type of clothing, because when I do complete a doll, I like to do a box packaging and I like to include items in there with the doll. So these were really nice, and they look nice, they feel nice, and I just love the little pom-poms on the sides of the hat, and that really makes this hat look a lot nicer by having these pom-poms. So for $1.50, I thought it was a really great deal, because sometimes even on Carter's or the Children's Place, even just a single hat can be, you know, not super expensive, but definitely more expensive than $1.50. So I did pick up 2 white ones. I picked up a black, this blush color, and then 2 blue. Over in the decor area, I found these decor pieces that I thought were really, really nice. So the first sign that I picked up says, "Hot bath, 25 cents, soap and towel extra, relax, soak and unwind." And then it has the jute twine to hang it. And then on the bottom, there is some more jute twine with these little clothespins attached to the jute twine and then attached to the sign. So really, really cute. And then I picked up the second sign that says, "Wash and dry laundry service company, self-serve, open 24 hours, and then the same type of clothespins on the bottom, and then the jute twine to hang it. I then came across these decor pieces, which would be really great for any tiered tray, or even just to attach it to a gift. I think these were really pretty. It has the wooden beads and then the tassel on each end. And then the little decor piece says, "Love you most." I picked up "Always and Forever" and "Blessed." Okay, so next up, these items I found in the Halloween section. Now, I myself do not celebrate Halloween, but I have to say that this year, with all the little ghost DIYs and decorations, I thought they were super adorable. So when I came across this little ghost tray, I thought it was just too cute to pass up. And as you can see, there's a little sticker that says "glows in the dark." So this is just called plate. You could put candy in here, or even crackers or cheese, whatever you may want to put in there. I just thought it was super, super cute. You could even turn this into a really cute DIY, but just adorable. And then beside that, I came across this candy holder, and it is a bat. And I just thought it was kind of cute, because when I was growing up, that was my nickname, Bat. So I thought I had to get it. And even though we do not celebrate Halloween, I thought it would be cute to just have some candy in the entryway, and then have these with a little treat for anyone who comes by. I also came across this adorable pumpkin, and he's a happy pumpkin, so I thought I will pick him up, and he does light up. So beside that, I saw this little sign that says "Boo," and it lights up as well. I haven't lit them up yet, but I think they'll look pretty cute. I came across this large Boo plastic yardstick, and there was only one. So I am going to be making a wreath for a friend who wanted to put it on her front door. So I think I have an idea. If I end up doing this on camera, then I will definitely share it. But I thought it was a pretty cute sign. And then over where they have their Halloween type of dress up ideas, I came across these two helmets, and I had an idea for someone who really likes knights stuff. So yeah, I may have an idea to do something with these as well. Next up, I came across these paw print ornaments over in the Christmas winter section, and they don't have all of their winter Christmas items put out yet, but they have a lot more than when I went last time, and I thought these were super adorable, and it says it makes one ornament. So how cute is that? I will be making one for my puppy, and then I will give these other two to people that I know have fur babies, and then they can make them for theirs as well. And I just thought that was really cute. I ended up seeing the Mod Podge that's dishwasher safe. This is the first time I've seen it at Dollar Tree. So I was really excited to see that they had that there as well. I only picked up one because I probably wouldn't be using this that much, but I think it's great to have on hand in case you do want to make something that you need it to be dishwasher safe. So really nice that they have these there at Dollar Tree as well. And then to end off the Dollar Tree haul, these are my two favorite items that I found on this shopping trip. And I'm going to start off with the silicone spatulas first. You get two, a larger spatula and a smaller one. You can see how beautiful they look. This larger one has the pumpkins and some leaves, and then the smaller one says thankful. So I did pick up one for myself and then three to give to someone else. And I just thought they were so pretty. And then my favorite item was this pumpkin mug. And it's really funny because last weekend when I was at my mother-in-law's, my niece was there, and she showed me a mug that she picked up at HomeSense. And it looked identical to this mug, only hers was like a pretty taupe color, really nice. I didn't ask her how much it was, so if any of you know how much this mug was from HomeSense, not this one, but the one that's at HomeSense, please let me know in the description box below. I could ask her, but I'm interested to see if any of you have seen it at HomeSense. I haven't been to HomeSense for such a long time, just because I live out of the city, so I don't have one by me. And anytime I do go in there, I want to buy everything that I see. But I just thought it was so funny how she showed me that mug, and then a couple days, no, I think it was the very next day, I ended up going to Dollar Tree and seeing these there. I actually, hers was really pretty. As I said, it was a really nice light brown taupey color, but I do love the white pumpkin and this blue to give that pop of color. So I'm so excited that I ended up finding these. I did pick up 6. There was more, and I would have liked to grab some more. Probably if I go back and I see that they still have them, I will. But many times these type of items tend to sell out very quickly. So at least I have the 6 for my dining room table. But I should have grabbed another 2 just in case they chip or one breaks. But like I said, if I go back and they have them, I will pick up a couple more. But that will do it, guys. That was my Dollar Tree haul. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Share the video if you can. It will greatly help my channel. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, I'd absolutely love and appreciate it if you did. As always, you guys take care of yourselves, and I hope to catch you in the next video. Bye for now.